The excitement for Nintendo Switch 2 is reaching new heights, with rumors and reports painting an intriguing picture of what's to come. Fans are eager to know when they can finally get a glimpse of the next-generation console. Recent industry chatter hints at both the potential reveal and launch timelines, making it an exciting time for Nintendo enthusiasts. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, including possible dates, marketing plans, and Nintendo's strategy for the big release. Speculation suggests that the Nintendo Switch 2 could be revealed as early as late January or early February 2025. This timing might not be random. It's tied to Nintendo's upcoming investor briefing scheduled for February 4, 2025. Historically, Nintendo has aligned major announcements with key business updates, making this time frame a logical choice. While this is still speculative, it fits well with how Nintendo has handled major console reveals in the past, including the original Switch in 2016. Reports suggest that the Nintendo Switch 2 will launch in late May or early June 2025. This prediction aligns closely with recent industry insights, including reports from development studios preparing their games for a mid-year release. This timeframe mirrors the strategy Nintendo used with the original Switch, which launched in March 2017, after its January reveal. If history is any guide, Nintendo may follow a similar pattern to ensure a smooth rollout of its next-generation hardware and games lineup. There's also talk about a major standalone marketing event for the Switch 2 in May 2025. This event could resemble the big showcase Nintendo held in January 2017 for the original Switch, where the company highlighted the console's features and launch titles. Another interesting possibility is a collaboration with PAX East, which has been delayed to May for the first time ever. While nothing is confirmed, it's possible Nintendo may use this event to offer hands-on demos for fans and media, giving them an early taste of the new console and its games. If not tied to PAX East, Nintendo could still host its own dedicated event to showcase the system's capabilities in full detail. Nintendo appears to be preparing for a massive launch, aiming to make 6 to 8 million units available worldwide on day one. This would be a significant step up compared to the original Switch launch and most other console launches in history. The strategy behind this move is clear: beat the high demand and reduce the scalping issues that plagued previous console releases. By flooding the market with enough units, Nintendo hopes to ensure that fans can easily purchase the Switch 2 without resorting to third-party sellers at inflated prices. Nintendo continues its trend of bringing older games to the Switch, with the latest being a port of Kirby, Planet Robobot from the 3DS. This adds to a growing list of 3DS and Wii titles being remastered or ported to the current console generation. However, the pricing of these games has sparked debate among fans. Many believe that the $60 price tag for simple ports feels excessive, especially compared to new releases. Regardless, Nintendo's strategy of revisiting its rich library remains a key part of its software lineup as it transitions to the next-generation console. Information about the Nintendo Switch 2 reveal and launch timeline comes primarily from Nate the Hate, a well-known industry insider. While Nate's track record is generally reliable, he emphasizes that these details should be treated as informed speculation. Plans within companies like Nintendo can shift unexpectedly, making it important to remain cautious. Even so, multiple sources and overlapping reports add credibility to the timelines discussed, giving fans plenty to anticipate. A critical factor adding urgency to these rumors is Nintendo's own announcement. The company has committed to revealing its next-generation console by March 31, 2025, marking the end of their fiscal year. This self-imposed deadline ensures that fans won't have to wait much longer for official news. Whether the reveal happens in January, February, or even March, Nintendo's promise suggests that excitement is just around the corner. The community has been buzzing with speculation and debates surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2. Fans are discussing whether the reveal timeline and marketing strategy will mirror the original Switch launch. Some wonder if Nintendo will collaborate with PAX East for hands-on demos, or stick to a standalone showcase. Others are debating whether the rumored stock levels will truly curb scalping. With so much speculation, the excitement and curiosity about Nintendo's next big move are palpable.